Thanks for watching. This is part 2, the Alcantara installation over the wood or the aluminum, which is white, cold, aluminum. Yep, aluminum. Use the adhesive promoter that we give you with it. And make sure that after you clean it with alcohol, that you definitely cover this and let it dry for 30 seconds. So just on the white area or the wood area, all the way up. That's it, 30 seconds. Let it dry. After it's dry, we're going to start at the bottom. So we found the best way to install this is to lay the bottom on this edge and then up, and then we're going to squeegee all the air out, so when this sits in the sunlight you won't get air bubbles. All right, so let's get started. I like this corner over here, so we're going to give you a yellow squeegee, which is good for pushing out air. I'll come a little closer so we don't get this background noise. Okay, so peel back this corner like this. Now don't touch the sticky side, okay? Tear this off and let's get started. So we want to locate it down here, so you got to get very low, and you want to see we're trying to line that pie shape up right there. So just simply put it right down there, and if you're touching the aluminum, it's okay. We're going to show you how to fix that. All right, so all the way up here, if you see any white like this, just pull it off slow, put it back on, put it a little bit lower. So this is the best time to make adjustments. Okay, all the way up here. We're going to stretch the corners when we're done. So I'm going to go all the way across with the bottom first, like I mentioned. Here, I'll shift them going. All right, so now, all right, so just grab it and take it and go all the way across. We also learned if you do this from a low angle, you'll get the best results, because a high angle, you might not see that much white. So we're shooting it low, and I'm sitting on the ground. So stick it right up against the aluminum, like this, like this. So run it all the way down, and you can use your finger here, and then come down, match it up, match it up, match it up. I am giving it a little bit of a pull. You don't want to stretch it too much. It's definitely long enough. And if you're down too far, pull it up, start over. Just line it up, line it up, line it up, line it up. Now all the way to the end. When you get to the end, if you're short, it needs to be tugged a little bit. So you just pull a little bit like this, get it right like that, and tuck it right in that corner. Now, with your squeegee, before any of it pulls up, go over it again. Look from a low angle, make sure you're not showing any of the white aluminum. Now take the squeegee and push. You want to start at the bottom. You want to go across this crease to make sure you're nice and perfect. You have no adhesive showing. And then I'm going like this. Again, I'm not just doing this to make it look smooth. We're pushing air out. You don't want air bubbles. This is going to sit in sunlight. And you don't want sunlight to make the adhesive let go or bubble up. So just keep going. Make sure you're good here. Look, you can push this down a little bit. If you see any bit of white or any bit of wood, just push it down, down, down. Going up, 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 up like this. All the way, leaving this piece left. So go over it again, go over all the way to the top, hook it around, push it down. So to activate the adhesive, you need pressure, because pressure-sensitive adhesive requires pressure. Now, same thing here, make sure that you're perfect on this radius, like this, just like that, pull it down, okay. And now, apply pressure. And if you get any adhesive promoter on here, you'll clean it up with alcohol when you're done. All right, so now I'll move to the top. So get a good high angle. And this looks great, all tucked in, just wide enough to wrap all the way over. Now, watch this, squeegee. Bend the squeegee like this, bend it. Bend it and push it to get all the air out. while you hold your hand here. Because this area here is stretched. Now I keep going and going and going. Fingers over the top. Fingers over the top. And now we're going to tuck this in. We're going to use this little edge here. This little edge. And tuck it right in. Just like that. So we'll keep putting it like this. Pushing down into the crack. Fill it up as best we can. And then again, over the top, I'm kind of curving the squeegee like this. Just curving it. Go around, pushing down. Lots of pressure, because you want to get pressure on it. And you want to make sure you have no white showing. So see right here, low, low, low angle. You want to make sure you have no white or wood showing. And then this will set up and stick really good for a couple days. And I don't think we need to even tape it down. Looks awesome. Just push this down. Again, you have a recessed spot here, or a crack. So you can just tuck this in like this. Yeah, looks awesome. So now let's take a look at this. Inside, we've got our Alcantara dashboard replacement. But let's look at the door first. Okay, so here is the stock black door. And look at how nice the Alcantara matches. Instead of this white or this wood, you'll have a perfect look. Now let's move inside. And come on in here, and we'll show you some more matching things. So this is our Alcantara dashboard replacement. Now this is a very nice dashboard replacement. This is our Alcantara dashboard sliding door cover, cup holder cover. Everything matches. It's a nice warm feeling. It's not cold aluminum-like. I think everyone's going to love it. Let me get one more shot showing both the doors and the dash all at once. So see how great this matches. Again, it's a dark gray or a medium gray. And again, we make the dashboards in black or dark gray. And here you can see how this is exactly the same tone and shade as this. Thanks again for watching. That's it. Alcantara install over the wood, or over the white.